Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a candy pack. First, gather your favorite candies, focusing on a mix of textures and flavors. Consider small, individually wrapped items for easy packing and sharing. Next, choose a container that fits your aesthetic, perhaps a clear cellophane bag or a small, sturdy box. Make sure your chosen candies are fresh and appealing. When selecting your candies, aim for a diverse assortment. Think about different colors, shapes, and flavors to create an exciting mix. A good rule of thumb is to include 5 to 7 distinct types. For packaging, a container around 4x6 inches works well for a personal candy pack. You might even add a small, non-candy surprise, like a fun sticker. Now, let's assemble your candy pack. Start by placing any larger or heavier candies at the bottom of your container. This provides a stable base. Then, strategically fill in the remaining spaces with smaller, more flexible candies. The goal is to create a full, appealing pack without overstuffing it, ensuring the container can close easily and securely. To truly make your candy pack special, add a personal touch. A handwritten tag, a colorful ribbon, or even a small bow can elevate its appearance. You could also choose a fun theme like movie night munchies or birthday celebration sweets to guide your candy choices. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy sharing your delightful creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.